Norton's theorem states that any linear, complex electrical network with voltage sources, current sources, and resistors can be replaced by an equivalent circuit containing a single constant current source in parallel with a resistor. It simplifies circuit analysis, particularly when evaluating varying loads. Norton equivalent circuit consists of a Norton current source parallel to a Norton resistance. Norton current, the short circuit current measured at the load terminals after removing the load. Norton resistance, the resistance calculated at the open circuited load terminals with all independent sources deactivated, voltage source shorted, current source opened. Relationship to Thevenin. It is a dual of Thevenin's theorem where current IN is given as VTH divided by RTH and Rn is equal to RTH. Following are the steps to apply Norton's theorem. Number 1. Remove the load component from the circuit. Find short circuit current. Short the terminals where the load was connected and calculate the current flowing between them. 3. Find equivalent resistance. Deactivate all independent sources, short voltage sources, open current sources, and find the equivalent resistance looking into the terminals. 4. Draw the equivalent circuit. Replace IN current in parallel with Rn resistance and reconnect the load.